Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer Turn. And this is based on a beginner move, and obviously knowing how to do a normal Wurlitzer would be really helpful. Link to that in the description below in case you've never done one. Makes it easy for you to find it. This is ever so simple. Okay, so it's a tiny addition to a beginner move, so you don't even need to be an intermediate dance to do this one. It looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So simple stuff, but it's nice to have these variations in your pocket, as it were, because if you were going to do a normal Wurlitzer and it wouldn't match the music because it was out by one count from where you'd like it to be, this can fix that and put you in sync with whatever it is you're trying to join up to. So it starts like a standard Wurlitzer. We go back to 2 hands, we come in, we flatten the left. Normally we would hook the fingertips up the inside of the lady's first finger. We're not going to do that, okay, because we don't need to. We're going to be pushing with the left hand, but instead of going straight into the preparation for the Wurlitzer, we're going to take the right hand, which we're hanging on with, over the lady's head to allow her to turn. We're then going to be hooking the finger as we come round, so we can now do our Wurlitzer preparation, and then we do our Wurlitzer spin and finish. So standard Wurlitzer, apart from that extra turn and that little finesse with the hand change, basically changing the hand grip. So we go back to 2 hands. 1, in and flat, no preparation with the fingers up the side. 2, turn the lady, getting the fingers up the side. 3, prep 4, return spin 5, and catch 6. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a Wurlitzer turn. It's a back, flat, turn, prep, return spin, and catch. Okay, that's it. I hope you find that useful. Hope it allows you to be a little bit more musical with your dancing. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that, and the notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.